Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another roll with Thiago. So here I'm going to try to stay away, not let him grab any grips. Obviously he's going to get his grips, and I'm going to open up those lapels because I want to use them later in the round. So right here, what I try to do is get that outside single, which is something I've been working on, and I switch my grip to a top hand grip so he can't pull that lapel out of my hand, and I start trying to work a single leg. So he's doing a very good job of not allowing me to keep his leg in between my legs. So right here, I'm just going to pull into a deep half position, and he's going to kind of just sit and almost get an S mount position here. So he almost locks up a triangle right here, but I've got his leg, and I'm pretty much okay. I'm not in danger of a triangle as long as my arm is nice and tight to my hip. So right here, I'm trying to keep that leg nice and tight, trying to extend it. I'm hiding my other arm so he can't get a Kimura grip. He's going to start turning it into a knee cut pass right here and start to stand up and start to pass. But I'm going to keep that leg nice and tight in between my legs right here. And I try to elevate his leg and try to get a sweep, but he's able to kind of a knee cut pass his way through and get me into a side control position here, and he's putting a lot of pressure. And what I'm trying to do now is just survive and not allow him to get any further. So right here, I try to get to my knees and get into a turtle position, but he's able to kind of step over and get the back position right here, but he's not able to get both the hooks. So what I'm basically trying to do right now is just survive. I know that there's no way I'm going to beat Thiago. Thiago is really, really good. He's a very, very good black belt. And so what I'm trying to do right here is just kind of keep my distance. I end up getting back up, and we reset from the feet. So right here, I'm trying to grab my grips. He's very good at judo as well. He's setting up a lot of judo type grips and foot sweeps, trying to feint those foot sweeps and get me to kind of react to that. So here he's going to pull guard, get a very nice deep de la Riva, and what I want to do is stuff his right leg in between my legs. But here he's going to get a lasso grip, and what I want to do now is threaten the Estima lock. But he's got a very good grip on my right sleeve, and what I want to do is pry that grip and keep his foot in my waistline by my belt and start to try to work the Estima lock, which is something that I like to do when people play the lasso guard, try to bring that foot over. I just like to threaten it, and if I get it, that's cool. If not, then it allows me to set up passes. So I like to attack the leg locks to set up passes. So right here, he basically gets me with a lasso sweep. He flares his left leg out and tips me over, but I'm able to get back to my knees, and he still has that lasso grip. What I'm trying to do here is kind of figure out a way to break that grip. So right here, he's got a very good grip on the collar. I've got a grip on the pants, and he still has the lasso. He takes me over, and right here, I'm trying to elevate that foot and come up, but I'm not able to do so. And right here, he kind of grabs the foot and starts to set up almost like an arm bar position right here. So I know that if I keep my elbow down, I'm going to be okay. My arm isn't fully extended right there, so I chuck the leg off the top of my head that was putting pressure on my head, and I start to stand back up again, and I get that lapel one more time, and I'm going to really try to get his leg on the inside and start working a single leg takedown. But he's very strong and very good, and very able to keep that leg outside. And right here, he almost goes for a trip right there and almost gets me down. Right here, he just drags me to the ground. Very nice takedown right there, and we actually talked about it afterwards, and he showed me how to implement that. So stay tuned, that might be coming in more videos. So right here, what I'm trying to do is survive, and what I'm going to do is I'm in a turtle position, and what I want to do is peel him off my back, not allow him to get any hooks right here. Well, I mean, he's got the one hook, but I'm trying to stop him from getting the second hook and scoring the point. So right here, I'm addressing the chokes, the choke grip that he has, and I'm really trying to get my shoulders to the mat and stop him from continuing the position. So right here, I get to the turtle position, and I try to peel him off my back, but he masterfully rides the back and gets in, basically stays on the back, and he's got a very good back taking position right here. So right here, I've cleared the arms, and I try to turn into him, but I realize that my left arm is now trapped, and he's able to, I try to turn away, but he's able to, what you can't really see is that he has the head and arm choke right here. And unfortunately for me, I'm trying to do the telephone defense, and that's not gonna work, so he gets the tap right there. So there's like 5 seconds left in the match. I'm gonna pull into a single leg X, get that lapel over, and that is the end of the round. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the roll. I hope you guys enjoyed it, bringing Thiago back to the channel. He's a very, very good black belt, and honestly, I was just trying to survive without getting submitted. That was my main goal this entire round, but I made a slight mistake bringing my arm to my head, and he capitalized with the head and arm choke. You know, sometimes it is what it is. You know, sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail, and sometimes you're the 2x4 that the nail is being hammered into, and that was me today, but, you know, it is what it is. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for supporting the channel. It means more than you know, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.